Hi everybody. I will now show you my charting for tomorrow and start of next week, where I draw my lines, my support and resistance. I already done it, but I'll just go through them, and that will be on the futures market. And I will try to make time in the future to, in the evening, or at least every second day, to do a video journal and show you my trades. So first we start on copper. I have a resistance level up here, which is the primary resistance level. I have one support level down here. This here is on the one hour time frame, and when I execute my trades, I go down to either the 15 minutes or the 5 minute. And for example, when it hits, this here was a support level this here, and when it hits this level, I'll be looking to see if there is a good reason to enter the trade, and then I'll enter it, and it will either be a win or loss. So my support level down here is from this area, and I have a resistance from this week, and I have also from this week here. Let's go to gold. Yes, see up here is a main resistance area from this price range order block, and down here to support we have the same. And then I have at this week here, see it been respected here and here and here, and also here. And if you go back, you can see it's also a resistance area here. This is now support. So when price comes down here, I will look at the reaction and decide to enter a trade or not. And again, the reaction is on the 5 or 15 minutes time frame. So, and up here, I have this week here I use as resistance. See what price does when it comes up here. So let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a bit different as it has been pumping a lot since the election, and I'm not the best trade for it is to long it. I'm not interested in shorting it because I don't really have any levels. So we are at all-time highs. There aren't any levels to look at. So what could be interesting is if the price comes all the way down here, and here we could get from these support areas, these levels here, get a good long trade. But if we were looking to short, it would be something like this, where the price has to go down and then retest this area here and down again. That could be a possibility. If we wanted to long, then it would be something like this from up here. Again, this here would be, it is possible, but I will take profit very, very fast as we are in no man's land with the price. So let's go to GU. Yep. You can also see here is my near support area. First, I have this here and then a smaller box down here from the 15-minute time frame. On futures, I don't trade DU, I trade pound down here instead, but they move completely correlated. So I charted DU. And again, here is a small resistance and another resistance where I'll be looking at the reactions when the price comes up there. And if we go all the way down, then this here is the main support area with a smaller box down here. So I'll see what happens when the price comes down and see what reaction it gives. Does it make a good bullish divergence or do we get a good reaction? And also remember tomorrow there will be on some of the pairs there will be a good gap, and the gap is also possible to trade. So I'll take oil first. Yes, here you can see my resistance here, Again, here down here is the gap. That's why I skipped the BTC for now and take oil, because right down here is a gap. Where the gap down here we have the gap. Down here we have the gap. And we take this one a little bit down as well and do like this. Down here we have the gap. Where the gap starts is often a very good support or resistance level, and where the gap ends. You can see here, previous the gap end, and it was very well respected here. Again, would have given some good trades. So this here would be my main support area when it comes down here. And otherwise I have the resistance area up here. So let's take BTC. BTC has done the same as Nasdaq. It's just going up. Yeah, you can see it broke this range here. We had and then continued up today. Otherwise, if you go down here to the also in the election, it went up. And for now, I don't see much reason for it not to continue up. This year is 80,000. It's a round number, a psychology number. So that could indicate that it will give some short down, but I'm definitely not interested in shorting it. Also remember that on the future CME Tyler chart, there will become a gap from here. This here was when the market closed. So wherever the price is, there will be a gap from down here. So the start of the gap down here also aligns with this good support area. If the price comes down here, there will be a very good long trade that I will be interested in taking. So let's take the next one. That is on the future chart. That is Australian dollar. Start with my primary resistance level or my strongest up here. Go to the 4 hour. See it better. And here down here is a primary support level. Back to the 1 hour. And here I have my first resistance level. And here I have another resistance level. And here there is a gap close. I also use a resistance level. You can see when you have the gap close, how it bounces from it and eventually go up. Down here is the gap open. And you can see how well respected that was both here and here. And right now we are at a resistance, but when the price opens Monday morning or Sunday evening, I have no idea where the price will start. There'll probably come a new gap, and then I will adapt to that and see what happens and what the charts look like. Let's go to the next one, which is SHIFT. Again, up here is my main resistance level. And down here is my main support level. No, it's not. It's down here. Sorry about that. Down here is my main support level. So let's look at my smaller levels. I have this resistance level here from this week. And I have this one here. See how it's respected here, 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 and here as well. So Monday morning I'll see what the price do and then react from that. Yeah, not more much on this one. Now take the New Zealand chart. Again, my main support area, main resistance area. I have a larger support area again down here from here. But for Monday morning, we'll do with this. And I have this here, this week here, as resistance here, and again here. So when the price moves to either levels, I will look at the 5 and 15 minutes and make a decision if I want to enter a trade. So the next one here is Canadian. The cat up here again, my main resistance area. And down here again, we have a gap, which is a support area. You can see here, if you draw the other gap, the other end of the gap, you can see how it respected here. And here we have a wick down way back. Yeah. So this is how my cat chart looks like. And now we go to yen. Again, main resistance area, main support area, a wick here where there could come a good reaction. Again, you see here the gap close, how it reacted well here. So tomorrow when there probably comes a gap, I will mark out these two levels, the gap open here and then the gap open here and then the gap close either here or here. And then I'll also use these levels. Here's the dollar. Up here is our resistance area. Up here we have my main resistance area from up here. And we have here at the previous gap close, which also got well respected. And down here we have the previous gap open. And let's take here on euro. Again, up here is my main resistance area. I want to draw one more box here, like this. And you can see you have a resistance here, resistance again here, resistance again here from these levels. And down here is my main support level. So yeah, that was my futures charting and potential setups, my levels for Monday morning. Let's see how it goes. I will make a video Monday or Tuesday evening about my trades so you can see how I used different levels. And hope you all have a good day. Thanks for listening and watching. And if you like the content, please like and subscribe.
Tell them how you're feeling,